Bebalik ka rito. Isa na.
Ano?
Pastok tayo.
Anong pastok?
Basta.
Anong pastok?
May tatanong ako sa'yo.
Ano tanong?
English yung sagot mo.
English, hindi ako marunong mag-English. Tanong?
Ito unang tanong. Sino mahal mo at bakit?
Mahal at bakit? Of course, you are my loveliness because I don't wanna be transparent. Stay. Fish fishing. I don't wanna be fishing when I'm find another girl. So you are my only love because I don't wanna fishing. Example. When there is a girl, so I'm only you because I don't wanna be.
Na explanation.
I don't wanna be fishing.
Okay na. Naiintindihan ko na. Sino crush mo at bakit?
Pass muna, pass.
Okay.
Pass.
Number 3. Sa lahat ng kasama mo, kanino ka komportable at bakit?
You are only me comfortable because girl, I catch the police and
Ba't may pulis?
I want the police will warrant me of the arrest. The police warrant me of the arrest. The police will catch me and
Catch me sa loob ng pulis?
catch when they are put
Posas yun, hindi
they are
catch.
put the pusas catch. That's
Catch.
then they are
Oo na.
warrant me of the arrest.
Oo na. Bahala ka sa bonsing din. Number 4. Masaya ka ba na ako pinili mo at bakit? Bilis ang sagot. Bilisan mo.
Let me explain because
Explain.
your problem you are forcing me.
Anong are forcing me?
Like for example you are air forcing me because you know that you know that
Okay na nga yun. Bahala ka.
you are air forcing me.
Ito na. Pang-5. Sa lahat ng ex mo, sino ang lagi mo nami-miss?
I miss you because I miss you, babe. I don't wanna miss a thing because even if I dream of you, the sweetest dream you've never I'd miss you, baby.
Baby o
Did
baby?
you know that?
May baby kang iba?
No, the explain in the
I miss you, baby?
yes.
May baby kang iba?
No, I have no more baby. You're my only baby
Diba sa'yo?
because I'm
Oo
going to
na.
make a baby
Ay, ano?
in the evening.
Wag na.
I'm going to make you a baby in the evening.
Oo.
So that's why
Ito
I
na.
miss you a baby.
Sino ang ka-date mo kagabi? At bakit?
Pass mo na. Wala akong kadit kagabi. Pass because I have no...
Sino ang mahal mo at bakit?
Pass mo na.
Ano ang sasabihin mo kapag nagkamali ka at nakipag-iwalay ako? At bakit?
Very simple. I will tell you, give me another charge because you are
Anong charge?
You are my shine and my only shine. And
But may charger?
no. Let me explain because you are you have to give me another one charge. Me one charge. Charge.
Charge sa'yo?
Yes.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo?
Give me one charge when I'm wrong.
Wala ko naintindihan sa lahat ng English mo.
Give me one charge.
Charge. Chance.
Change. So
Ano?
give me one chance.
Anong chance? Chance.
Chance. Sige, chance. Chance. Parang pangalan. Chance.
Ewan ko sa'yo, ang gulo mo. Bahala ka sa buhay.
Chance.